Is we have the king of butter here. I mean, your all things butter videos, they were massive, weren't they?
I started doing some cooking videos during lockdown. I was always looking for that next thing, like what do people have an affiliate, like an emotional connection with in food, like what's really getting them to hook in. You know, we start the meal with bread and butter and everyone likes butter on their toast and butter and da-da-da-da. I was like, butter. It had a bit of viral time on TikTok, so I was like, oh, TikTok likes butter, I'm going to make another one. As I did like 1 million followers on TikTok in a week or something, and eventually we set up All Things Butter, which was my business partner, who's my best friend at school. I met him when I was 13. He was like, I'll run it, you just don't get cancelled.
And this quote I love. He said, I realised the impact my butter series has created when I went to visit a restaurant site in Tribeca, and this bloke dressed as a cowboy on the other side of the street shouted, "It's the butter guy!"
Yeah.